Hey, what's up, everybody? Got a quick issue on a run past and see if anybody's got some insight. Out for a ride today and noticed a very slight ticking noise that gradually got louder, so I headed home. Sounds like it's coming out of this front header pipe on the jug. Let me start it up so you can hear it. It's a 2020 Roadmaster 116. Got 11,000 miles on it. All right, hopefully the audio turned out and you could hear it, but it sounds like the front header pipe where it goes into the jug. I don't know if it blew a donut gasket, if that's a common thing to do in 11,000 miles, but I guess I'll reach out to the dealership tomorrow and see what we need to do to get the ball rolling on getting that taken care of, because the stock exhaust is too quiet and I don't want to make it any louder with that exhaust tick. So let me know your thoughts, if any of you have had the same issue, what you've done to fix it. Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one. Later.